everyone, it's Elena from MUSUBI Kitchen. Today we are making Japanese mushipan, steamed cakes. Japanese steamed cakes are light, fluffy, and incredibly moist. You don't need an oven. Just steam them and they turn out like soft, tender cupcakes. We use pancake mix, so all you do is mix and steam. With the natural sweetness of banana, they turn out so gently sweet and comforting. We'll start with the classic banana mushipan. Then I'll show you my favorite matcha chocolate chip version. Finally, the popular sweet potato version as well. Alright, let's get started. We'll use one banana. Slice half of it thinly for topping. Mash the remaining half with a fork until smooth. This gets mixed into the batter and gives it that lovely sweet banana aroma. Crack an egg into a bowl and whisk it well. Add milk, sugar, and vegetable oil, and whisk again. Adding a bit of oil helps keep the cakes moist even after they cool. Next, add the pancake mix. Switch to spatula and gently fold it in. Once the dry ingredients are incorporated, add the mashed banana. When the batter is smooth, you are good to go. Pour the batter evenly into your cups, about 70% full. Top each one with the banana slices. It makes them look really cute when they are done. Boil water in a pot and set the MUSUBI kitchen steamer plate inside. Place the cups on top. Cover with a lid. And steam over medium heat for 12 to 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, insert a skewer to check. If butter sticks to it, steam a bit longer. If it comes out clean, they are done. Let's give it a taste. So fluffy and light, yet still sweet, and incredibly moist. Today, I'm using MUSUBI Kitchen's new ceramic steamer plate, Sunoko. It's a flat ceramic piece that fits perfectly inside this donabe pot. It has such a sleek design that you can place it directly on the table. It looks beautiful for serving. Now for the matcha chocolate chip version. Mix matcha powder into the pancake mix and add chocolate chips at the end. When steamed, the aroma of matcha and the sweetness of chocolate blend beautifully. And finally, the sweet potato version. Cut the sweet potato into bite-sized pieces and parboil them. Mix them into the batter and steam. The cozy sweetness and warm colors make it perfect for fall and winter. Using the same base batter, I made banana, matcha chocolate chip, and sweet potato versions today. Each one has gentle, fluffy sweetness, and they are all so comforting. Which one would you like to try? Be sure to save this recipe and make it at home. I'll see you in the next video.